Hey guys, welcome back to another video, something a little bit different from what I generally do. This is the unboxing of the Nintendo Switch Lite. I've actually wanted to look at one of these. It's not my one, but I have been given the honour of opening it, first open, so very privileged to be doing this. So I'm going to give you a little run through of the differences between the original Switch and then the Lite version. It's going to be more of an overview than like a actual review or anything. Just happened to be that I could actually unbox it, so that's pretty much all this is going to be. So don't look at this for a really in-depth video, but I will give you some of the specs and the differences of what this one offers against the original. So let's go and just open it up. There's no labels or anything that we need to cut through, so it's nice and easy. A little bit about the power adapter when you open it. Now this one comes in a load of different colours. You can get yellow, grey, turquoise. There's a Pokemon Sword and Shield editions as well, unlike the original Switch that was just grey or red with blue Joy-Cons. So a little bit different colour scheme. We'll actually put that aside for now and look at what else we get inside. Now it has a smaller screen compared to the original. It's a 5.5 inch screen, still 720p, but the Switch did have a 6.1. And then obviously the main difference is that you don't have Joy-Cons on this that you can detach, and you can't dock it to the TV, but generally speaking, unless you need that, then this is pretty good offering. Consider it's £100 less as well. So there's your USB-C power adapter. That's all that's actually inside apart from instructions. So we'll put that to the side and look at this itself. It's very light. It weighs 9.8 ounces, so it's lighter than the original as well. It's quite nice actually, first impression. It does feel a little bit plasticky though, if I'm honest. Very comfortable though. Comfortable to use. So analog sticks either side. Let's go around the actual thing itself. So D-pad on the left hand side. On the right we've got the well-known X, Y, BA buttons. Another controller, home button, some extra minus and a plus on the top hand side as well. At the very top we've got the volume, power button. The L and L2 are R2 buttons. Headphone jack. The game card slot pops open and goes into there. Clips down. Not too much happening on the back. And underneath we've got the USB-C port. So, we'll just miss that. Micro SD on the left. So other things I can tell you about it, this one gives you up to 7 hours of battery, obviously cheaper than the original Switch, but that did give you up to 9 hours on the original one. This is obviously more compact, you've got a few more colour options. No detachable Joy-Cons, you can't do that. There's no kickstand either on this one compared to the original. So you do obviously pay less money, but you do lose a couple of features. And then obviously the main thing, you can't dock this to your TV, but personally for me, I wouldn't see myself doing that anyway, so this would be the one I would choose just out of that basis alone, to just save that £100. Could you see yourself using this over the original one? I don't really think there's too much else we can really cover. If you want the dimensions, this one is 8.2 inches by 3.6. The old one was 9.4 to 4 inches, so a little bit more bulky, but obviously the Joy-Cons do take up a lot more space. That's probably the majority of the size. And obviously you do have a bigger screen with a 6.2, so the processors are still NVIDIA custom Tigras, but it does feel very nice. I will definitely have to pinch this for a little go at some point. That's pretty much it for this one, I think, guys. So thank you for watching this little quick unboxing and first look of the Nintendo Switch Lite. I will put links to this in the description box below if you want to get one, guys. Obviously Christmas is coming up and this is certainly more of a gifting price point than the original one, so something you might want to just nudge at your parents there as well. So thank you everyone for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and ding the bell so you don't miss an upload. Follow my social media down below and I'll see you all in the next one.